Hello, I'm Preeti Fernando. Welcome to my class on how to get your book published on Amazon within 24 hours. Publishing on Amazon and getting your book published on Amazon is easier and simpler than you think. And I demystify a lot of the things that you may have been misinformed about, and I will show you how simple and easy it can be. And yes, if you have your manuscript or your photography or your travel book all ready to go, you can have it uploaded and published and live on Amazon within 24 hours. And you will learn this within 1 hour, within 60 minutes during my class. How do you create a KDP account? How do you upload your manuscript? Or if it's a photography book, how do you upload your book? How do you get your book formatted to suit Amazon's publishing guidelines? How do you upload the cover image? How do you design a cover image? These and much more during our 60 minutes together. Please sign up for my class, and if you know a friend or a relative who's curious or who's always wanted to publish their own book and see it live on Amazon, encourage them to sign as well. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in my class on how to get your book published on Amazon within 24 hours. Thank you.